Guys, this is Qatar. I want you to see that parking right there. How many vehicles do you see? It's a huge parking. Let me show you the other side. Let me just show you the other side. Guys, this is Qatar. The parking is full. And we still have fans coming in. We have fans coming in. So, yeah. What's crazy about this place is the parking. Can you imagine all these vehicles, guys? Can you imagine all these vehicles? Yeah. Families. Hey, guys. Guys, are you seeing what I'm seeing? This place is fully packed. People have vehicles. And our Kenyan marshal. Say hi to the camera.
Hi.
Yeah. Say hi to the camera. Say. Yeah, that's what.
If you want beautiful ladies, just come to Africa, man.
That's why I'm.
We are representing.
Yeah.
Say. Ah, big nyash. Guys, say this. This is so amazing. The place is fully packed.
Have you interviewed some of these guys?
No, I've not gotten the opportunity to.
No, you have to.
Yeah, I did.
Arabic guy.
Yeah, I did.
Especially those with the flag, talk to them.
Yeah. Say hi to the camera.
Hi to the camera. We are shooting. What do you see? Do you think you can take the cup today?
Yes, awesome. Thank you.
Get something like this.
Let me record this kid. Show the flag. Nice. Yeah, that's what's up. Guys, let me just show you around and get to see how kids are playing. See this. Nice.
Daddy, those ones.
Yeah. We are giving directions. This is a big hand. Hey bro, say hi to the camera. Salute the people. Yeah, nice. Nikumulike. Wananchi wako kazi. Salute the cameraman. I just zoomed you in. Salute the cameraman.
Yeah.
Yeah, we are doing a great job. Yeah. Okay. Standard vehicles. Oh, nachunga wasinishike na makarau. The place is fully packed. Fully packed. And you see the number of vehicles. Place is fully packed. Okay.